how to set up backup security encryption with Samsung account or password on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on accounts and backup. Next, tap on transfer data for device setup. And then we go to the top in the security section. On the external storage encryption, you want to tap on that and choose whether you want to secure with Samsung account or secure with password. So select one of the available options and then tap on the back key. So here, when we perform a backup to the external storage, it will now encrypt using a password instead of the account. Here you can see if I select backup calls and contacts and tap on next, it will ask me to enter in the password. Now it is critical that you remember this password. Once you forget, you will not be able to restore your data. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.